Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing very well and enjoying your vacations. Me, Miss Aima, and I am from Army Public School and College, Khanewal. This lesson is for class 8, subject English language, week 9. It's 13th July 2020, and this is a Sex Online sport program. I also hope that you have done your assignments, previous assignments, which are of till week 8, and now today we are going to start our ninth week, and it's our first lesson of ninth week, which is about city Lahore. And we are going to start unit 5, a place to live, lesson 1, vocabulary 1, city living, my city Lahore. Textbook page number is 58 to 59 and workbook page number 37, and you will must listen audio track, that is 5.2, and that is on page number 58. For today's lesson, our objectives are: we will be able to listen the blog post and have a class discussion about Lahore. So today our lesson main focus is city Lahore, which is the most popular city in Pakistan. So for brainstorming, I want to ask one question here. My question is from you: what makes Lahore a very popular city in Pakistan? Yes, tell me the reasons that what do you think that how this city is very popular in Pakistan? Yes, please tell me. Yes. Lahore, popular city in Pakistan. Lahore is the city in the Pakistani province of Punjab. It is the country's second most populous city after Karachi. And Lahore consists of an old city area flanked on the southeast by newer commercial, industrial, and residential areas that are in turn ringed by suburbs. The old city was at one time surrounded by a wall and a moat, but these structures have been replaced. Means in future in past they have been structured their structures, their buildings, but later on maybe these buildings, these structures have been replaced with another one buildings and other structures, because changes are required and changes are always required with the passage of time, and it's good to change the things with the passage of time. So, Lahore, popular city in Pakistan, Lahore offers its visitors amazing sights, grand architecture, and great culinary delights. People can shop at local bazaars or malls. So we can say that in Lahore there are big shopping malls also, and there are also local bazaars. In local bazaars, there are available the things on very low rates, and also in malls the things which are available on high rates and very expensive and very standardized things you can take from the malls. So means both type of category is present in Lahore, and Lahore has something to offer to everyone. Yes, this city is for everyone. Means for rich, for poor, all the things are available here. You can take the expensive to expensive dresses here, and you can also take the cheap and low prices dresses also take from the local shops. So this city has a lot of importance because it's for all. So if we talk about Lahore city, so there are many buildings in city. There are many great architectures, great designs of the buildings of in the city of Lahore. So the first building which I want to show you, that is Minare Pakistan. So you can see here the picture of Minare Pakistan, how beautifully designed it and how beautifully it represent in this picture. You can see the greenery along the sides of the Minare Pakistan, and its huge building, its huge structure which show its grandeur. So it's a very great building, and it looks very nice with its white paint. So this is Minare Pakistan picture. You can see. Okay, second one is Shrine of Hazrat Ali Hajweri Razi Allah Ta'ala anhu. So you can see the picture. This is also located in Lahore, city of Lahore. Shrine of Hazrat Ali Hajweri Razi Allah Ta'ala anhu. Then you can also see the picture of Allama Iqbal International Airport. Yes, internationally flights which are taking place that are take place from Allama Iqbal International Airport, and you can see the structure of this building, how beautifully it makes. This is Gaddafi Stadium, where our international matches and the matches which are done in Pakistan, which are played in Pakistan. So most important stadium is Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. Many matches are played there. If we talk about Wazir Khan Mosque, the Wazir Khan Mosque is the most important mosque in Lahore. So Masjid Wazir Khan is 17th century mosque that is located in the city of Lahore, capital of the Pakistani province of Punjab. The mosque was commissioned during the reign of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as part of an ensemble of buildings, and that also included the nearby Shahi Hammam baths, and construction of Wazir Khan Mosque began in 1634 and was completed in 1641. It is on the UNESCO World Heritage tentative list and considered to be the most ornately decorated Mughal area mosque. Wazir Khan Mosque is renowned for its intricate fan style work known as Kashikari, as well as its interior surfaces that are almost entirely embellished with elaborate Mughal era frescoes. The mosque has been under extensive restoration since 2009 under the direction of the Agha Khan Trust for Culture and the government of Punjab. With the contributions from the governments of Germany, Norway, and the United States. Here you can see this mosque. Yes, which mosque is this? Yes, this is Wazir Khan Mosque. You can see the picture here, how beautifully it. Yes, this portrait is very good of this Wazir Khan Mosque. It's a great, amazing building. Okay, this picture is of Shalimar Garden, very famous historical place of Lahore. Shalimar Gardens, you can see also in this picture. Lahore Museum. This is the Lahore Museum picture, which is established in 1864 and shifted to the building in 1894. Then it converted into the building in 1894. Yes, very beautiful. Shahi Kila. This is also very famous building of Lahore, Shahi Kila. You can see it with white paint. Great building. What a art of this. Okay, ji. Jahangir Tomb. You can also see the picture of Jahangir Tomb here. Look at the greenery around it. Look at its building. It's Jahangir Tomb. So these are the things due to which Lahore is a famous city in Pakistan. Yes. Yes, this is the building of Lahore Stock Exchange. Yes, you can see it. Okay, a view of Badshahi Mosque from Alamgir Gate. You can view it from Alamgir Gate, and in front of it, that is the Badshahi Mosque, and this is the Alamgir Gate of Alamgir Gate. This one, and you can see Badshahi Mosque in front of it. Okay, this is a picture of Lahore University of Management of Sciences. Very beautiful. Qaid-e-Azam Library. Yes, one and only very good library in Lahore, that is Qaid-e-Azam Library. Yes, this is Wagah border, Lahore. This is a place you can say you must visit this place. You feel a great patriotic person to you when you entered in this Wagah border. We just visited this place with our school trip, with our senior class students, and we enjoyed it. This place, we enjoyed it at that place a lot, and because when we entered in this Wagah border, Lahore, we feel that we are so much patriotic because their feelings, these soldiers' feelings, and how they represent their country. This was a great to see that how they represent their country, Pakistan. Because at in one side there is Pakistani soldiers, and on the other side there are Indian soldiers. And in the side, this is the sitting area where all Pakistani people are sitting there, and that area where Indian people are sitting, and they just appreciate their army, their soldiers, and we appreciate our soldiers. So how they represent their country and how we represent our country, this is a great view, this is a great sight which we must watch, and we enjoyed it a lot when we visited this place with our students enjoyed it a lot. So I suggest to all of you, you must visit Wagah border, Lahore. So this is also a main reason that Lahore is a famous city due to this Wagah border, due to this Qaid-e-Azam library, due to the Badshahi Mosque, due to the Lahore University of Management Sciences, due to the Lahore Stock Exchange, due to the Jahangir Tomb, due to the Shahi Kila, and due to the Lahore Museum that is established in 1864, and Shalimar Gardens, and this is this great mosque. That is, yes, which mosque is this? Yes, this is Wazir Khan Mosque. Then Kazaki Stadium, then Illama Iqbal International Airport, then Shrine of Hazrat Ali Hujweri, and Minar-e-Pakistan, one and major building in Lahore. So these are the all buildings. This is all the architecture which we can see in Lahore. And whenever we visited Lahore, you must visit these buildings, these areas, these mosques, these libraries, and these universities. So it's must, and this Wagah border. Yes, you must visit this. Okay, now we talk about our lesson, which is about why the family moved from UK. Whenever you listen the track, you come to know about the reason that why they moved from UK. When they move from UK to Lahore, what they feel great feeling, and what was their feelings. You come to know about it when you read the article and when you listen the blog post about Lahore. So as we come to know about that chapter, a place to live. So in this family moved to Lahore from the UK last year when my dad got into a job thing and the industrial areas of the city company in the factory, and we live in a really nice suburb called Defence Housing Authority Lahore. It's quite clean and it doesn't feel more polluted than London. Yes, लंदन से ज़्यादा उनको polluted जो है वो feel नहीं हुआ. The old city is really picturesque, and you can find many ancient and historian monuments and some great shopping bazaars, but the narrow streets can get really crowded, especially at the weekend. वहाँ पे जो narrow streets हैं, they get crowded. वो क्यों crowded होती हैं? Why? Because that is a holiday and people just want to buy the things, they just want shopping, they just want to visit the places, they enjoying their trips. So that's why that area become much crowded area. But if you are into fashion, the best place for shopping is the trendy shopping district at Gulbarg. Yes, you must visit Gulbarg. And Gulbarg is also one of the Lahore most important business districts and is always bustling with the shoppers and offices workers. At first, I wasn't sure I would like it in Lahore, but now I loved it. It's such a great city. So here is the reason that why they migrated from UK and why they prefer to live in the city Lahore. So these are the reasons. Now we come towards your homework assignment. That what will be your homework assignment? This is student book 3 for practice. You just do the practice. It's not your written work. Exercise 1, read or listen track 5.2 to the blog post. Match the words in bold to the descriptions, that is 1 to 5. And then exercise 2, complete the sentences with adjectives, written work. And workbook 3. So this word is adjective, not adjective. T is silent here, is adjective. You always pronounce it as adjective. So workbook 3, exercise 1, choose and circle the correct answer. Exercise 2, match sentences 1 to 5. Exercise 3, complete the sentences with the words in the box. So yes, these three, exercise 1, exercise 2 and exercise 3. Workbook pages is the written work for you. That is not the written work. You just do this work in written form and just do it and complete it and then submit it on AIS, and you will submit it on AIS, and then inshallah I will check it and check it individually and positively, and then I will return you after checking so that you can find out what mistakes you have done and you can correct it. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay home, have a great day. Allah Hafiz.